Hello and welcome to another tech opening, and today I'll be unboxing this hard drive for my PS2. It's a terabyte model. You can get this in 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte and 4 terabyte. I got this off Amazon, about £55–56, and I would have got the 2 terabyte one, but I'm not sure if I need the space. But if I do, I can always just buy another one and transfer everything off. So this is a game drive by Seagate, 1 terabyte, add storage to your PS4. Quite minimal packaging really. Store 25 or plus games on this 1 terabyte. On 2 terabyte you can store 50. I didn't get I ain't got 50 games, so probably not be any good for me. But there you go. The side, it's got a year's limited warranty, but I got a warranty off Amazon as well. They're only like 12–13 quid, and assembled in Thailand. The barcodes and the seal of approval on there, still on there. So let's open this up. And in the box, empty box, instruction manuals in various different languages, time warranty, and the actual device, hard drive itself. I really like this one because it's pretty much the same colours as the PS4. You've got your black and then your blue strip. Got a nice weight to it. Pretty small. The Seagate logo, and on the back is just game drive for PS4 and the safety information. This runs on a USB 2.0 and 3.0. You get the cable with it, and then just plug that into there. And once that in, you can just plug that into your PS4. So, first time I tried to install this, it didn't work, so I switched the PlayStation off and on and plugged it in, and it seemed to have done the trick. So this is used as extended format. What you do is go into USB devices, and then once it comes up with it, and then you like it says set reformat, click that, and it should do it. Only took a couple of minutes, probably not even that, and then after that you can manage content or stop using this external storage. And if you ever want to take this out, maybe take it to friends or something like that, you can sound the devices and stop using extended storage. Now I'm going to put some games onto the actual hard drive to make some space, so I can play Red Dead. Here we go into storage. Now the extended storage is coming up as application install location, so if you install any new games or any new apps, it should go onto there. But go onto the main hard drive and go to applications and find the games and move to extended storage. So I click a few of these. I think they're the only ones I'm going to put on there and keep GTA and keep GTA on here, and then we go on move. The application will be moved, and then move it.